Hello everyone, my name is Aryan. On behalf of Universal Travel and Tours, I'd like to welcome you all in Noritake Garden here in Nagoya, Japan. The Noritake Garden is a lush green stretch at the heart of Nagoya. Narrating the tale of the country's legacy of China, the Noritake Garden stands as one of the interesting destinations in Nagoya. With its various departments and well-maintained patch of green, the garden attracts numerous visitors from across the city. Being a few minutes walk from the Kamijima station in Higashiyama subway line, Noritake ranks among the most famous China manufacturers in the world and has been producing a bulk of country's Chinaware since 1904. Noritake stands out among the rest in its mastery of designs. The garden includes in its premises a number of departments to provide its visitors a complete impression of the making and diversity Noritake. The cultural zone of the garden is a fascinating display of the changing trends of ceramic arts. As you will see, the exhibition arena displays wonderful pieces of tableware produced by leading international manufacturers. You may have noticed that there is a workshop house in the grounds. The purpose of the workshop house is to teach the basic skills of pottery and ceramic painting. The visitors can take home pieces of their own creation as they hand paint plates and cups and learn to bake them as well. Another area in the garden is the site for recounting the history of Noritake. The museum traces the growth of Western tableware in Japan. Old Noritake section preserves the oldest pieces of ceramics manufactured by the organization. In the distance, there is also a separate commercial complex in the Noritake Garden to supply the visitors with exclusive pieces of Noritake crockery. Two shops offer a wide range of collection and cheaper versions of the original pieces are also available to cater the lower budgets. There is also a restaurant serving delicious food in the delicate Noritake. That's all for Noritake Garden. On behalf of Universal Travel and Tours, I hope you all have a wonderful vacation here in Nagoya, Japan.